What's up guys, it's Luis back at it with an unboxing. This time I'll be unboxing the Air Jordan 1 OG Royal. Those are the blue and black colorway. I wasn't able to pick them up for retail, so I got these from StockX, the website. Got them for like $250 shipped, so I guess that's a good deal. Usually you can find them for $300. They're going up. Randomly they're going down and up, so usually StockX have them lower than other companies and other consignment shops, so that's where I got them from. So, and they are legit, so let's get right into this unboxing. So they are legit, StockX, and this is my first time ever getting a shoe from them or buying a shoe from them. And yeah, so right out of the box, you see the box right there. Let me just stick out the box real fast. Sorry about this, it's kind of tight, so there we go. So it looks like my box is banged up a little bit. It's not that bad, whatever. So as you always get with the ones OGs, you get the red and black box, the Nike. Here's the tag. So your typical box you get always with the OG ones. Nothing really new, just basic. Mine's a little beat up, as you can tell, a little bit too much maybe. There you go. So box there. So they should have a control stamp on the box, inside the box, top or on the side. That's what I heard. So you get this from StockX. You can read that for you. You can pause the video and just see it on the back. Yep. They got your receipt, how much you pay. Oh well, I got it for $248, so that's there we go. $248, pretty good. So here they are. You get a sticker, looks like, from StockX. There we go. Looks pretty nice. So here's the Air Jordan 1 Royals. This leather quality is decent. Not the best, but you know. So from these, supposedly each pair is different with the leather quality and the issue date when they were made too. So that's the weird thing. So here you can see a little bit tumbled. The leather's a little bit more tumbled, and here's like barely, like a little bit, you can see. But after use, they'll probably tumble a little bit more. So I'm not too worried about that. The black leather is okay, not that wow. They feel like the UNSC ones leather almost. See, it's weird, but whatever. So Royal ones, everyone knows about these. They're hype. They did sell out. Some people found them later, still after release. So yeah, inside, and so white with your Nike Air and Royal blue. Big shoe, black Air Jordan wings. Air Jordan. So where I saw some pairs came like this without the words showing, and this one looks kind of like the words are showing a little bit, but I mean that's nothing real. Let's check the second pair. Here's the second, and as I was telling you, this is really tumbled. You can see even the leather's coming out right here, the cuts. Looks really nice right there. Actually looks pretty good. Looks the same as this. Some pairs just came flat, which looks kind of weird and odd. Pretty good tumble shorts there. I do have 2 more of these, so yeah, the other ones look a little bit more better. I mean, this top is pretty much better than the other ones I've had. You also get this from StockX. There we go, on the back. So I guess you gotta take this off and just verify that they're real or not. I guess you can't return them if you take that off. And it's the same thing, you get your laces on this one, single loop. Some had it like in a circle, which I got, I think, 1 pair with that. Size 10, yes, true. I would go true to size with these, but this leather really is like tumbled. I really like it. Really nice. Black leather feels a little bit harder than this one. But I mean, it's pretty nice. I like them. Classic shoe. You can never go wrong with these. You wear them once. You wear them multiple times, and they'll look good. So you know, I like them. But yeah. Nothing else in the box. The sad part is that my box was messed up, but I mean, whatever. It's the box, at least the shoes was messed up. So yeah. Here we go, closer look. The leather on this side right here is really nice. I like it. Really nice shoe. Really like this colorway actually. Well, yeah, guys. Simple colorway. Let me smell. Smells like the Air Jordan 1s you always get. Really like that glue stain. So it's a glue, it's like a drug almost. But it smells like one smell. So they are real, they're legit. But yeah, guys. Alright guys, I'll see you next time on the next video. Peace, guys.